Finance for HR Professionals and Compensation Management MCQs Part 3. Compensation benefits are important part of every dash pay. Option A, employees. Option B, employers. Option C, managers. Option D, traders. Correct answer is option A, employees. Sick leave without pay, vacation pay, paid rest and relief times come in category of dash. Option A, hours of work. Option B, payment for the time not work. Paid holidays pay. Correct answer is option B, payment for the time not work. Companies that operate in dash and dash shift pay a premium to the workers who work during odd work hours work shift. Option A, second and third. Option B, first and third. Option C, first and second. Option D, third and second. Correct answer is option A, second and third. Premium pay, incentives, bonus, shift premium, old age insurance, profit sharing and unemployment compensation. This category covers dash. Option A, hours of work. Option B, extra pay for time. Option C, personal benefit. Option D, shift premium. Correct answer is option B, extra pay for time. In India, the Factory Act 1948 stimulated certain requirements regarding dash with a safe working environment. Option A, employee security. Option B, extra pay for work. Option C, welfare benefit. Option D, working condition. Correct answer is option D, working condition. Insured women are entitled to get the benefits to maternity leave for dash. Option A, 1 month. Option 2, 3 months. Option C, 6 months. Option D, 8 months. Correct answer is option B, 3 months. Employee state insurance entitled to get cash benefit for dash in your under this benefit. Option A, maximum 360 days. Option B, maximum 63 days. Option C, maximum 56 days. Option D, maximum 76 days. Correct answer is option C, maximum 56 days. Pay structure is also called as dash. Option A, salary structure. Option B, compensation structure. Option C, wage structure. Option D, bonus structure. Correct answer is option A, salary structure. Dash helps to improve employee satisfaction, commitment, motivation and performance. Option A, reward. Option B, sound pay structure. Option C, compensation. Option D, insurance. Correct answer is option B, sound pay structure. Employees' pay will be linked to their performance and productivity that will help them to control effectively the dash. Option A, development of pay structure. Option B, pricing of the job. Option C, compensation control. Option D, labor cost. Correct answer is option D, labor cost. Salaries of the dash of the organization are also affected by the Companies Act 1956. Option A, top level management. Option B, middle level management. Option C, low level management. Option D, team level management. Correct answer is option A, top level management. Dash is an important part of decent work as defined by international labour. Option A, fair amount. Option B, fair payment. Option C, fair rewards. Option D, fair compensation. Correct answer is option D, fair compensation. Dash is done on the basis of the detail of the job skills, responsibilities required, etc. Option A, job evaluation. Option B, job description. Option C, job recruitment. Option D, job analysis. The correct answer is option A, job evaluation. Dash benefits provide to the employees on his family member. Option A, disability payment. Option B, maternity. Option C, depends benefit. Option D, medical. Correct answer is option D, medical. The component slide prerequisites scenes and group under the title dash. Option A, spouse income contribution. Option B, pay for work and performance. Option C, income equivalent payment. Option D, pay for the work and performance. Correct answer is option C, income equivalent payment. Dash strength is one of the major factors in compensation management. Option A, financial. Option B, labor. Option C, management. Option D, unity. Correct answer is option A, financial. Dash pay structure determines what an individual is paid. Option A, traditional. Option B, broadband. Option C, developing. Option C, market based. Correct answer is option C, developing. There will be a shortage of dash. The demand exceeds its supply. Option A, time. Option B, transportation. Option C, finance. Option D, labor. Correct answer is option D, labor. When the worker is deprived of weekly holiday, is eligible for dash holiday of the same number in the same month. Option A, compensatory. Option B, premium. Option C, salary. Option D, insurance. Correct answer is option A, compensatory. Section 51 of the Factory Act 1948 mentioned that no adult worker should be required to work in a factory more than dash. Option A, 8 hours. Option B, 28 hours. Option C, 35 hours. Option D, 48 hours. Correct answer is option D, 48 hours. The main objective of dash management is to compensate the employees satisfactorily and achieve the organization goal effectively. Option A, compensation tool. Option B, compensation management. Option C, compensation model. Option D, compensation dimension. Correct answer is option B, compensation management. The pay structure determines what and dash is paid. Option A, mix. Option B, combined. Option C, individual. Option D, firm. Correct answer is option C, individual. Dash can be paid on fixed pay or variable pay. Option A, compensation. Option B, spouse income. Option C, wages. Option D, remuneration. Correct answer is option A, compensation. Dash is designed to provide depend with the income in case of a death of an employee or illness. Option A, disability income continuation. Option B, deferred income. Option C, spouse income continuation. Option D, income equivalent payment. Correct answer is option C, spouse income continuation. Dash category cover the benefit such as premium pay, incentives bonus, shift premium, old age insurance, profit sharing and unemployment compensation. Option A, extra pay for time worked. Option B, employee security. Option C, personal benefit. Option D, social security. Correct answer is option A, extra pay for time worked. For more MCQs, please prefer subscribing and click on notification bell icon for next part. Thank you.